This is an amazing grooming kit for your Dyson. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. You can clearly see we have double-coated dogs that shed a lot, and I could not wait to test this thing on our dog. This attaches to multiple different versions of the cordless Dyson. Make sure you check for compatibility with your unit. This comes with multiple attachments, which is something I haven't seen in a kit like this yet, so I was really excited to put this to the test. The comb attachments easily pop in and out of the main handle. You just push down on the button, pop them out, and put whatever comb in that you would like. With this, you are going to get a slicker comb, which can be used for daily grooming. As you brush your dog, it sucks the hair right into the vacuum cleaner. You also get a deshedding comb, which can be used about once a week. Be sure not to press very hard when using this attachment. This is going to pull a lot of that dead undercoat out of your dogs. And then there was even a dematting attachment. My dogs don't tend to get matted, but I thought this was a great attachment to have. And then you get an electric trimmer as well with guards. So if you have a dog that needs to be trimmed regularly, you can use this and it's going to suck the hair right into your vacuum. On top of all of that, this comes with a trigger lock, which is awesome. So instead of having to constantly hold the trigger and try to brush your dog, you attach this little trigger lock and it keeps your Dyson running. This really is a great set of attachments. There's a good variety, and the fact that it connects right to the cordless Dyson we already own is such a plus. If you're looking for a great way to groom your dogs at home and cut down on all that loose fur, we recommend this.